Hi, beautiful people of spirit, mind, and soul. This is Princess Cherry Campbell. This is my second upload on a little celebratory thing on the release of Metamorphsis. And I thought I'll start with a breakfast in Brixton, and then I had to get a grinder to literally grind some flaxseed. They're so difficult, aren't they? But I'm doing this recipe to reduce the estrogen in my metabolism. So I have to grind flax, because apparently if you don't grind flax and you just take it from pre-grind, all the molecules or all the nutrients actually depreciate. Anyway, back to today. Today is Saturday, so I started off in Brixton at our refuel. I'm trying to take all the little pictures as I go along, and then I found that I needed a vest because I had a t-shirt, a Jamaican t-shirt on, which wasn't very modest, so I had to pop down to Oxford Street to Primani, because they give you little things like £3 and all that. I did look into Morley's when I was getting the grinder, because I got it from, I think it was 30 odd quid to, I think they reduced it to 15, which is really cool, because then I can take it back to Jamaica with me, and I can grind my flaxseed, which is very important, because I think just staying on a idle diet is very good. And so it will be really cool, even if I want some fresh coffee beans, I can do that with the grinder. Anyway, back to traveling all the way down to Tottenham to try and link up with one of my cousins, Valerie. But unfortunately, I totally was lost in London again. And I literally just left. I was near Broadwater Estate, so I left and I went back down to Bruce Grove on the I went back to Bruce Grove, and strangely enough, I saw these loos. They're like this Victorian loos, and they've turned into coffee places. One is right near Bruce Grove, near the High Road, just round the corner from Spice, the Caribbean Spice. I'm not sure if that's still open. And then one up to the top, where going towards Seven Sisters, another loo. So I actually took a little video of them, and so on Monday, you all should be able to order Modern Metamorphoses. Please do, because I really would like you healthy and wealthy people to have something fresh in your mind, and as the computers are saying, original. This is not ancient philosophy. This is something coming fresh, diluted a little for all our consumption. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share if you must. And stay happy, stay healthy, wealthy, and wisdom comes with knowledge.